Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Alarik Al-Mubarak Marsendo. My study program is accounting. NPM 22412033. On this occasion, I will discuss organizational behavior. Okay. Definition organizational behavior. Organizational behavior is a system consisting of cooperative activities that are carried out together regularly and repeatedly by a group of people to achieve a goal. The next, scope of organizational behavior. There are some organizational behavior scope as follows. Number one, to understand people in social system units, as well as manage and predict how they can work effectively. Number two, organizational behavior specifically studies the situation of individuals and organizations and their involvement with performance and productivity. Number three, organizational as social system move and strive to achieve goals that are more emphasis on how organizations are able to survive, adapt, and control change. To achieve their goals, organizations have complex activities. These activities will ultimately affect the behavior of people within the organization. The next factor that influences organization behavior. Organizations are said to be productive. Goals can be achieved, and the process to achieving them is done by converting input into output at the low cost. Thus, it can be concluded that productivity is related to effectiveness and efficiency. Next, issues that can affect organizational effectiveness and efficiency is that number one, reduction of absenteeism. Absenteeism is the act of not coming to work without a reason. High rates of absenteeism can have a direct impact on organizational effectiveness and efficiency. Number two, decrease turnover. Turnover or employee turnover rate is employees who enter the organizational and leave due to permanent resignation from the organization. Number three, increase in job satisfaction. Job satisfaction is the difference between how much they believe they should achieve and how much they actually achieve. Employees are said to satisfied is the difference in mathematically positive. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. The next, the main dimension of organizational behavior are number one, concept dimension. Organizational behavior has three concept dimensions, namely cultural, anthropological, and all social elements that influence the establishment of science, which are interrelated. Number two, system dimension. This includes how the management process is carried out to carry out an activity effectively and efficiency packaged with mathematical or logical approach. Number three, human dimension. This dimension is the determining factor in the organization reflected in psychology, because the existence of an organization is caused by humans. The next variable affecting organizational behavior, dependent variable, which are the key factor to be explained or estimated and which are affected by a number of other factors. A response influenced by an independent variable. The dependent variable include number one, productivity, which is a measure of performance that affected effectiveness and efficiency. Number two, absence, which is failing or not reporting for work. Number three, resignation and employee turnover, which is the voluntary and involuntary withdrawal from an organization. Number four, job satisfaction, which is a general attitude toward on job. Job satisfaction, which is a general attitude toward on job of or the difference between the amount of pay a worker receives and that they believe that the should receive. The independent variable influencing response include the following. Number one, individual level variable, age, gender, marital status, tenure, age. Number two, group level variable. Number three, organizational system level variable. Okay, thanks for watching. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.